Bottom 5 Warhammer armies. Let's go. This is going to be spicy. Because you're going to be wrong.
Maybe. Let's do it. Here we are. We have done the top. It's now time to go down.
For the spicy bottoms.
It's the spicy bottoms. Goodness me. So yeah, this is where it gets a little bit testy. I can already feel the temperature rising in this room.
We went and got a glass of water before doing this one because I think there's going to be some sweat.
I think there's going to be a disagreement or two, maybe. There's going to be rage somewhere, that's for sure. So this is our bottom 5 armies.
We've done the top, if you haven't already seen. The rules for this is they had to have a codex in 9th edition.
Yep.
Because otherwise you can get right into the weeds. Oh, I don't like this random Imperial agent squad that was in this book. No, they have to have a codex that was in the last edition. Right, let's get into it. So we're going to start with
number 5.
The slightly less worseness, and then we'll get right down to the poo end.
On the hierarchy of turds, number 5.
Let's not assign them turd values.
Imperial Knights.
Okay, we're going like that, are we?
I don't.
I wish I'd actually had a mouthful of water because I could spat it everywhere.
Spat it out. Imperial Knights, they're cool.
Yes, they are cool.
But I just don't get it.
Because you haven't painted one. You haven't painted one.
I don't get the hype. I don't get the lore, everything in Horus Heresy to do with knights, I thought was utter tosh. I didn't care about it.
Anyway, moving on.
What's number 5 for you?
No, you can carry on.
To be fair, I've got nothing more to say, to be honest. I think they're overrated. I think their lore is tosh. And yeah, number 5.
Custards.
Really?
Adeptus Custodes for me.
Wow.
They're just good boy space marines.
Okay.
I've never enjoyed them in anything I've read. I'm not a huge fan of their models. Apart from Valdor. That's a really cool Forge World kit.
Yeah, he's a lush model. Really beautiful.
They just don't have any personality. The only one that had some personality for me was the one that they all killed at the start of the Horus Heresy. That's the only one.
Yeah. You know what, hot take, I actually like the Sisters of Silence more than I do the
Sisters of Silence are so creepy. Like in the Siege of Terror with the one that no one can see. I felt really sorry for her. I was just like, I want to give you a hug, but I can't see you.
Why does no one love shed this love? But yeah, proper weird. Really funny.
Next.
Sorry, I've already forgotten. Number 4, Leagues of Votan.
Yeah, I got it. But then they're not mine in there, but I agree with that.
Leagues of Votan, for me, I think are underplayed by GW in quite a large way. I read their codex and I thought what they were doing with the fluff of like them being like underhive traders and like really technologically advanced, and the whole concept of kin and stuff. I thought that was really cool, but then the models just don't represent.
Do you know what was really funny is I remember talking to you about 2 weeks before that box went on pre-order, and direct quote, "I can't wait for Leagues of Votan next week."
Yeah.
And you bought the box.
Yeah, I was really excited, and I think
I agree. It didn't.
It's a shame it just didn't stick the landing. I think
some of the models are really cool. Even the we won't say too much about my bad models because I couldn't design the bad models.
No. It's not that I think the models are bad. That's not it. I just feel like the aesthetic they could have gone with
they don't have one. I think is probably their main problem.
Yeah, I just feel like a mining corporation of space dwarves. I feel like the land fortress could have been cooler. I feel like
I really liked it, but I agree. I think they should have, in my opinion, lent into the land train.
Yeah, if they went like more Necromunda aesthetic, like a bit more edgy, I think I would like them more.
Yeah.
But they didn't, so I don't. Number 4.
Right, so my number 4 on the worst scale is Orcs.
I nearly put them in my top 5, you know.
Don't get it.
Really? Don't get it?
The accent's amusing.
Yeah, I think that's one of the worst bits. Yeah.
That's it. Some of the kill rig, I will make a special mention for. That's a really cool kit. Everything else,
Just don't get it.
they don't do it for me. They're one of the few factions that I don't get. I think in all of 40k, they don't. They've got an aesthetic, and the Boomdagger Snazwagon do quite like that.
Yeah, it's strange because I feel like orcs don't quite fit the Warhammer sort of like.
Do you know what's really
look
funny
and
though?
feel. It's really weird.
I'd have an Iron Jaws army though for Sigma.
Yeah, you know what? That's actually why the Snakebites are my favourite clan in 40k orcs, because they still capture that very tribal, using like animals and stuff around them to benefit them. Sort of like, maybe a bit more like humble, but tenacious. Like they feel like very like animalistic still. And that's why I like them. I think there are some of them that is just like ultimate dork.
Yeah,
which is like, it's strange. They nearly cracked into my top 5, so I really like them a lot. But I get where your head's at.
Right, you're number 3 on the worst ones.
Number 3 on the worst ones is Imperial Guard.
Hang on, so there's 2 more to come after that.
There's 2 more to come after that.
Oh, we've diverged.
We have diverged.
What could be worse than giving away mine there, but
you know what? We know what your number 1 is. Imperial Guard for me are. I don't get why people play Imperial Guard, or at least I didn't until recently. So
hang on. Are you about to put Ultramarines below Imperial Guard?
So, for this reason alone. So, as far as lore is concerned, Gaunt's Ghosts, Cypher's Kane, the Krieg book, all great. I think they're great. I think the feel of humans in the 41st millennium, when you're reading a book, it's very terrifying and sort of like against the odds kind of thing. And I like it from a lore perspective, but from an army perspective, special mention for Krieg. I think Krieg is sick. Everything else, I just don't understand. When you have so many cool armies, you'd still pick bolt action. I don't get that.
I can't believe they're that high up for you.
They're fun to play. What? They're not rock bottom. They're 2 from the bottom.
Now I'm like, oh my god, what's he going to put at the bottom?
Yeah. So I think, you know what? If the really decent Warhammer books didn't exist and Krieg didn't exist, flatline bottom for me. But they do, so they're not quite at the bottom. What's your number 3?
Admech. Steampunk, not a fan. The lore is irritating at best. Just where they start prattling on and I've taken my arm off and I've still got bits of skin and I don't want bits of skin.
You know, I'm gonna dive in on this because Admech are my number 2 on the poo hierarchy.
So they're next to come.
Yeah, they're next to come anyway. So I'm gonna join on. 0111001111001. Stupid. Talking in code. It's all nonsense. In all the books I've read of Admech, we did actually speak to Luton when we went to Warhammer World, and he said the Belisarius Call book is phenomenal. I'm yet to read that, but because I haven't yet, Admech are like 00111 bottom. Poopy. Rubbish. I don't like playing against them. I think they're nonsense. I've got too many rules. I think
their 9th edition book. You needed like a degree in astrophysics to learn it.
It was a mess. It was a hot, stinking pile of poopy, and
that was when codexes, I think, for me. That's when they got silly because it was like this rule then affects this rule that then affects that rule. That's when it started to get silly.
You know what? It was like special mention for Stig at Tabletop Tactics. Actually, whenever I'd watch his video on a Saturday morning, I'd be like, how are you doing this?
How do you remember all of these things?
How are you remembering all of this nonsense? It was like the longest command phase in history, and it was just tosh, utter tosh.
There's been 3 leap years in between each phase.
And I feel
so much admin.
Yeah, I feel like the aesthetic as well. I just don't get it.
I'm just not a fan. So that was your number 2.
However, if they made Dark Mech
could be cool.
Dark Mech could be cool. That would be really, really cool to see.
Still lots of 0s and 1s though.
Yeah, lots of code. Not interested in that. But Yeah. What's your number 2 on the poo hierarchy? Here it is.
Tau! Fishmen! Don't get it.
That's it.
Yeah.
Nothing about Gundam suits. Nothing about the fastest technologically advanced race.
Stop it!
Ever. The ethereals, the Commander Farsight.
Don't get it. Not,
What about the crew? What about the auxiliaries?
Oh, don't get me started on crew.
Do you hate crew?
Chicken wings in space. No,
What?
thank you.
No! Crew is so cool! What are you talking about? Oh, no!
Oh, the greater good. Just,
no! No, you're so wrong.
No, I don't like the kits. I've had to build a few because one of the kids had a Tau army. Putting together the Hammerhead, as you'll know, is the worst experience known to man.
Yeah, it's not good.
Tinchy Strider, Dark Strider, hated putting that thing together. Fire Warriors, just no. I like the Crisis suits because yes, they look like Gundam.
Yeah,
that's
Gundam's
it.
cool.
No, don't get it. They don't. They've just.
Really? That's so weird. Because
all we do is shoot you. Okay, cool.
You absolutely love Evangelion, and they are the 40k race.
You can't talk about Tau and Evangelion in the same sentence because the Tau suits are not alive.
Oh, okay.
Watch Evangelion, then come back to me.
Well, that was a passion.
Yes, because you won't watch Evangelion.
Well, for me, Ultramarines are at the bottom. Ultramarines suck. They're so bad. Oh my god! If I have to listen to Rowboat Girly Man complain one more time, Blue is terrible. The poster boy legion of this game is tosh. Is absolute rubbish. I hate Ultramarines. I think they're rubbish.
You just derailed my number 2. Because you were that.
I was angry about Tau.
You're like, I'm gonna hurt him because I don't like Ultramarines.
You've crossed the line.
How far are you through No Fear?
I've finished it. And you know what? I liked Lorgar. I said it! I finished it today and I went... Granted, I liked Ultramarines a little bit more, but it's all down to Ventanus. He was cool. Everyone else...
Everyone in the comments, please tell Kieran why he's wrong and that No Fear makes Ultramarines up here.
No.
The end fight where Corferon's like, haha, I'm going to kill you, Gilliman. And Gilliman's just like...
Corferon was rubbish. Absolutely
Gilliman's
rubbish.
just like, no, I'm going to literally rip you apart.
Yeah. You know what was really funny, actually, when Gilliman was just like, what's happening? Are we being shot from space? And then, Lorgar's just like, haha, you're a big idiot. Loved it. I thought it was great. But yeah, Ultramarines. Poo.
Yeah, that's thrown me there. I thought No Fear would make you like them.
No, I mean, don't get me wrong, it makes me like them a little bit more, but still no. Don't get it.
No, stupid. Yeah. You are Remus Ventanus is...
They arrived late as well at Horus Heresy. We're not talking about 30k, but they arrived late.
Yeah, they did.
They were late. And then in 40k, suddenly, they're running around saving everyone because they crossed the Rubicon Primaris or some nonsense. And they're like, don't worry, the Ultramarines are here. Load of rubbish. They typed in some AdMech cheat codes, 0111100111. They got juiced up, and suddenly they're great. Rubbish.
Nonsense. That's what you're full of is nonsense.
We're going to fall out. I think we've fallen out.
How could you put them below Imperial Guard? I thought we had a united front, the Imperial Guard were the worst faction. Because why would you want to be at Peoples in space?
I would...
Did you put them there just to make me angry?
No, I didn't.
Lies!
I would absolutely pick a Imperial Guard army over an Ultramarines army.
Right, moving on before I have a aneurysm. My bottom is Imperial Guard. I don't need to say anything else on them, to be honest. Of everything in Warhammer, why would you want to be... Yes, I'm going to be a people.
Yeah, I'm going to be the peoples. Don't like Krieg, though.
No, I just quite like Krieg.
Yeah, you should read the book. It's really, 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 really cool.
Yeah. Krieg,
they're sick.
They bring them up, but then Horseman just puts them back at the bottom.
Yeah, don't get him. I think it's a shame because Gaunt's ghosts are cool, but Imperial Guard just aren't. Like a really small little task force that go running around like messing stuff up. That's cool. But just like even some of like the quote unquote cooler units like Kassakin and stuff, I still don't get. it. It's like a SWAT team.
Stop trying to soothe me with Imperial Guard haterisms or whatever. When you put Ultramarines at the bottom. I'm not a huge Ultramarines fan, but they're not bottom tier. I'm sorry.
Bottom. On the poo hierarchy for me, they are dun 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 poo.
Anyway,
Nonsense.
let us know in the comments why Kieran's wrong and that Ultramarines, although they're not the coolest, they're not. They don't deserve to be bottom.
You know what's funny? Tower second. They're your second bottom.
Yeah, but Ultramarines weren't my second top. Let's not get that petty.
I haven't heard you that angry. I don't think ever. Yeah. So
yeah, let us know what your least favourite Warhammer factions are.
yeah, please do.
If someone says Dark Angels, then I'll be just feel affronted on everywhere. You're hating Ultramarines. Someone will come in the comments, Lion's the worst. I'll be like, oh, they're all out to get me.
So my feelings are hurting.
Just in a giant Warhammer bully circle.
in my opinion, the Ultramarines are wrong. Yeah.
Yeah, let us know what your least favourite ones are.
Tell us all about it.
And why ours are wrong. Yeah. We'd love to get some conversation on it, because I'm sure we are wrong in many people's eyes.
That's
I know there's a lot of Imperial Guard players out there.
Yeah, Imperial Guard players, how do you feel? Conflicted? Do you think Ultramarines are at the bottom? If so, let us know. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, pardon me. And yeah, join in on the fun down in the comments below. But yeah, until next time.